Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 21st, 2022. We need to talk about AMD. I really wanted to come in and show you all what the big problem or issue is going to be for the AMD buyers. So before I get started, welcome to the channel, everyone. This is what I do. You guys can already see in front of your screen a price prediction. Yeah, I come through and I draw price predictions on price charts to show you all as to what the market is really trying to go. Where is it trying to go? Because if we can predict where prices are going to go, we can win. That means that we can make money. And I do that here consistently here on this channel. So to everyone who is new, welcome. Hit the like button. Should have been also subscribed to the channel. To all of my day ones, man, I really appreciate it. You guys continue to let me know in the comment section that the things that I am producing here on this platform is very beneficial. And hopefully you all have been garnering some information to make your trading better. Check this out. Did a video in AMD not long ago, right? May the 16th, right here. And I was predicting the price to go up because on my last video, I was looking for the market in AMD to go down. And once I see the market not acting that way, I came back through on May the 16th and said, hey, I'm going to look for the price to go up. Now, you guys can see since that day, we have seen prices in AMD go up, right? We've seen it right here. Now, I have that ultimate price target up here around 106.75. Market topped out on May the 18th right here at a high of $104.22. So it was, it was pretty close, right? And since that day, May the 18th, price has been falling. Okay, so if you wasn't able to grab the high right here from May the 18th of 90.5%, if you were to get out here, you're down 1%, which it may not be that bad. If we're still seeing buyers controlling the market in AMD, then cool. This is just a small visiting point before market continues to go up in AMD. Now, this is where I wanted to talk to you all about, because when you switch over this chart to a long-term basis, for me, long-term is like weekly to a monthly time frame. When I show you all what's been going on into the market in AMD, we got some issues to those looking for price to go up. Look at how last week's price action in AMD ended. Just take a look. When you look at it from this perspective, it does look as if over the last week, we did hit a high of that 106 price. But when you switch it down to a daily time frame, we didn't. But I wanted to come in because a lot of volume has been coming in the last 3 weeks, a lot. So it tells me that a lot of the big players are now participating in AMD. Some are buying, some are selling. And it definitely looks as if on these two weekly price bars that more buyers came into the market right here. Okay. These weekly price bars, the week of May the 9th, as well as the week of May the 16th, that tells me that buyers stepped in. But following this week of May the 9th, we saw price throughout last week go up. It did. But how did we conclude? How did the weekly price bar end? We closed lower than the previous two weekly price bar closes. So it tells me with all of this volume that came in last week that there's still a massive amount of people coming in selling this stock. Now, all is not lost for us looking for price to go up in AMD, because we still got this base, this stronghold of where buyers are at around $84. We still got that. But it also confirms that the buyers did not have enough momentum to bring price up here to this downtrend line. It's very mixed is what I'm trying to get you all to see and understand in AMD right now. It's a very mixed market. Some people are massively bullish. Some people are massively bearish right now. So how would you come in and play this? If you don't have a sure understanding as to which of the market side is winning between the buyers and the sellers, maybe we just need to stay out the game. If we don't know which team is going to win, if we don't have the odds in either of these corners' favor, we don't need to participate. It's just that simple. If the market's not giving us an understanding as to who's really winning, who's tipping the scales, maybe we should not be in the market then. That's how you know when you need to come in and play, when you need to come in and participate, and when you don't. When the market is foggy, when it's gray areas being displayed, that lets you know, hey, I don't need to deploy any of my money to the market. Look at this on the 2 weeks time frame in AMD. You guys can see it right here again. It's mixed. We understand the overall trend is down, yes. So since the longer term trend is down, we have to lean more towards seeing price continue to fall. But that's it. It doesn't mean that we're going to stop, because we're seeing the stoppage right now in AMD. Like, the market is definitely trying to stop. They're trying to battle it out right now between the buyers and the sellers. They are. Three weeks. And one way that I would know that price is leaning more towards the buyers, that the market is leaning more towards price going up, is if we were able to see price close above this level right there. Right there. If the buyers would have closed higher on this 2 weekly price bar, if we would have seen it higher above $100, I would have been bullish. I would be expecting the price to continue to go up. But we did not get that result. We didn't get it. The buyers were not successful. And seeing that we're still in a downtrend, we had to lean more towards being bearish until we see buyers take out this $100 price. You can see it on the weekly time frame too. The market attempted to break price above $100. They were successful for a couple of hours, couple of days, but then price fell back down. So what do you all think the market's about to do in AMD? This is why I wanted to come and talk to you all, because I want to know, what is your thoughts? What is your perception? What are you looking at now in AMD? For me, I'm still seeing that the ability of AMD stock price to go down is slightly greater. That's it. That's it. It's slightly greater because of what I said earlier. Price could not successfully close above 100. We're still in a downtrend. The volume is on the high, and the buyers are not confirming that they want to keep price up. That's the reason as to why I'm slightly bearish in AMD. Now, as we continue to see the market trade on this upcoming week, we need to pay attention to see how low the sellers are going to take this price, because on the last trading day right here, the market in AMD still find buyers. Like, I'm here to tell you that this is a very strong battle going on between the market buyers and the market sellers. This is fantastic because it increases the volatility. And this is what the market likes. It likes volatility because you can make a lot more money when the market is volatile. Okay. So what do you think we need to do? Should we wait? Should we play? Should we wait? Should we play? For me, I think we need to wait. I think we need to wait. I think we need to allow the market to determine whether or not it's going to continue to go up or down. I really do. This is a fantastic market. This is the type of market that gets people caught up in some very bad positions. It's because it's too indecisive. It's too foggy. It's too cloudy. We don't know who's actually winning right now. We have all of these trading days, and we still have no idea of a firm idea as to where the market's going to go. Now, like I said, generally I will look for the price to go down, but it can still go up too. And when it's like 50-50, the odds are not in our favor, we should not come in and play, right? We shouldn't do it. Yeah, we really need to see that price in AMD break above 100. Okay, so let me do this though. I'm going to play the weakness now. Okay, I'm going to play the weakness, but take that with a grain of salt. Okay, since I know that the buyers could not successfully trade price in AMD above 100, we're going to continue to expect the price to go down. Now, since we're looking for price in AMD to go down, let me put that into perspective. I'm not looking for a crash. I'm not looking for the market to tank. I'm not looking for the market to completely plummet. No, I got this area right here. Okay. This area right here as to where my focus is going to be. That's it. That's how far I'm looking for the market to dip right now. Okay. Now that's still 10%. The first area for us to come in and try to profit out the market in AMD will be right up here. 2%. To me, that's not even worth putting on a price prediction for the market to fall 2%. So let me bring it down to like $89 to $90. That gives around 5% profitability. That's the first price target, $89.90. Second one is going to be right there around $85. 9% and a quarter. And that's it. Now, real quick, let me know what do you all think? Where are we going to go into the market in AMD? All right. Questions, comments. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, you need to trade different.